style truck at Unique, especially in classics. 1998 Chevrolet Silverado K1500 Z71 package, regular cab. As you can see, riding on American Racing chrome wheels, Michelin radials, Nerf bars, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Original miles just a little over 69,000 on it, and it shows on this one. All right, take a look at this front end first off. A couple spots I wanted to point out, a little bit of kind of that delaminating on the crossbar going through the center of the grille, just kind of on each side. Paint on this one does show well. I'll point out a couple things as we go around, but look at how straight that truck is from the front to the rear of it. I'm going to point some things out as we go around, but first I want to mention we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan will come with this truck, included in the purchase. That may be extendable. Out to 10 years, consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. I'll tell you how to do that in just a bit. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter V8, and it's paired up with an automatic transmission with overdrive. If you want to see exactly how this truck is equipped, you can look at the still pictures, be a copy of the window sticker. Took a picture of that, and that is in with the still pictures. Split bench seat, all stock interior. Take a look at the condition of this fabric, as well as the original floor mats, carpeting. Very, very nice condition. Optional sliding rear glass. 373 rear end. Again, take your time looking through the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there if you're seeing it on YouTube. Dual exhaust, good sounding truck also. When I open the hood, I'm going to open this tonneau cover back here. As you can see, it's got a fiberglass tonneau cover on it. I want to show you the bed. This truck doesn't appear that it's been worked a whole lot. Let's put it that way. Another thing I wanted to point out, I forgot to, I was on this side. Of course, mud flaps or rock guards installed. You can see here on this rear, right behind the wheel well, there's kind of a plastic. It's the same way down here, right behind the cab corner on the bed. That's the original. Would have came that way from the factory. Also on the other side. But again, look at how straight that is. Good looking truck. We don't see them like this every day. And again, clean Carfax, only 3-owner truck. You can tell the black paint shows well. Look at the reflection coming off of that. Here's kind of what I'm talking about again. That little protective plastic coating was put on. Right here, and again you can see cab corners. Great shape. One little spot. I mean, I am being fussy. Right here, there was a little, if I can get it to show up, you can see there's a little right there. And again, that's being fussy, trying to find something on this truck. All right, let's look at the driver's side interior. So door panels, it's not discolored, it's not wore. Of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Again, that Silverado package. And then take a look at this driver's side seating area. It doesn't hardly look like it's worn. I mentioned just a little over 69,000 miles at 69,125. AC blows cold, AM FM cassette, radio works. Top of the dash not cracked, discolored, sun baked, anything like that. I'm just going to reach in and start this up. So you hear it run. Gauges all in working order. No check engine light, service engine soon, anything like that on. Listen to this, good sounding truck too. Looks like, what we got on here? Looks like reactive. Read that. Reactive, reactive. As far as the exhaust tips, take a look at the underside picture. Be able to look at the exhaust. UniqueClassicCars.com. Sounds good. All right, I'm gonna pause this a second. I wanna get that tonneau cover open. I wanna get the hood open. Let's check those two things out. We're gonna wrap this video up. Underside of the hood, look at that hood liner. How clean that is also. Doesn't look like this truck's been driven in inclement weather. And there it is. That Vortec 5.7 liter V8, great power plant. Horsepower, steering power, brakes, AC blows cold. Put stock underneath here. Just nice and clean and tidy. What you'd expect in this truck. We slip to the back. I wanted to show you this bed. So you do have this nice fiberglass tonneau cover. Take a look at this bed. Doesn't look like that truck's been used a whole lot. A few scuffs and a little wear here and there, but overall, you know what it usually does to truck beds if they're actually worked. And this one doesn't look like it. It's been somebody's, I think, private drive or well taken care of. Again, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Low miles, 1998 Chevrolet K1500 Silverado regular cab Z71. It's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. Check out all the stow pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, 507-386-1726. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we are driving a 1998 Chevrolet Silverado pickup truck. It's a nice black color with a tonneau cover. 69,123 miles on the odometer, but it feels like less. This feels like a new truck. You don't get to see very many of these in this good a condition. Good stereo in this truck. AC is working. Cruise control also working. Our gauges are all working. The oil pressure is about 50 to 60. Temperature is approaching 140. Still warming up. Volts are at 14 and fuel gauge is showing 3/4. Factory tachometer also working. This truck is nice and smooth. Letting go of the wheels, she stays nice and straight in the lane. Excellent condition, factory seats, steering wheel, dash looks great, brakes are working good. This is back when you had great visibility from a truck and it rode nice on the road. Nice rumble from that engine. Just a very good truck. Well optioned and in good condition. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.